So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use VidIQ for your YouTube videos. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into this. So here in VidIQ, if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel, this is the tool that is perfect for you. So all you have to do is click the link in the description below to kickstart your journey here in VidIQ for free. So just head down to the comment section, or the description box, and you'll find our link there. So let's get right into this. So today we're going to talk about our VidIQ. So how do you use it for your YouTube videos? So if you want to grow on YouTube, you actually have to start videos ranking high in the search results basically. So this means that you have to put this into a smart strategy, and into a big part of doing this is SEO and keyword research. So as you can see here, VidIQ has this keyword research tool for you guys, and it will ensure that you're optimizing your videos with specific phrases are relevant to your content that are highly searched for you on YouTube, so that the algorithm knows how to correctly push your videos out to the right people and how to find these videos as well. So this highly searched terms they call is what we're gonna use here also in our research tool like VidIQ. So it comes in on your YouTube research tool. So you also have your competitor analysis to daily content ideas, trending video stats, and more tools like that. So it can seriously be the difference between a channel that flops and never makes it off the ground to a channel that never takes off with ease at all. So here, we're gonna go with our keywords first. So here you're gonna see that you have to search for keywords. So let's just pretend we're doing a video on Lamborghini video. So we're gonna discuss about Lamborghini right here. So we're gonna search for Lamborghini. And as you can see here, it will give us an overall score of 38. So here in the overview overall score is determined to help gauge how effective this keyword would be in our videos basically. So if you have a 1 million subscriber channel, you might be able to break into the highly competitive search terms. But if you're just a small channel, it's better to stay focused on the mid-range search terms with low competition. So it will show data here such as search volume, competition, and your overall score. So as you can see here that the search volume is pretty high for Lamborghini, and there's going to be a high competition for that. It's really high. So it's suggesting that you have a high competition. So maybe select a new keyword that will only get a few competition but a high search volume. So here you also have your matching terms. So basically in your matching terms, it's basically a specific topic or niche within your keyword. Choosing highly focused keywords enables you to become the expert for a particular keyword basically. So here there's matching terms such as your Lamborghini Revuelto, here Lamborghini Revuelto versus Ferrari SF90. So this has been currently searched as other things related to Lamborghini. So here you can see that their Lamborghini Revuelto sound and other things like that. So let's go back to Lamborghini to be generalized only. So there, let's see. So here you also have your questions. So question type keyword that contains your keyword or phrase in any order. So let's just see right here what types of questions are in YouTube relating to Lamborghini. So as you can see here, it has how to motorize the Lego Lamborghini tutorial. So if you want to make videos that are related to such common questions that are made with your keyword topics. So there's also related keywords here. It will always give you overall score to know how good this keyword topic is in your videos. So this is your keywords here in your VidIQ. So as you can see, your related keyword, your matching terms, and your questions. So next is we have your competitors. So right here in your competitors, it will show a compare of performance between your competitors within your YouTube channel and other YouTube channel. So here it will also show you the views, subscribers, public videos, average daily views, average subscribers per day, and average public videos per day. So I'm not posting in my YouTube right now, so as you can see, there's no statistics about my channel. So the top videos from my competitors will show up right here. So unless I do a post and show some similar topics and other channels that has the same topics, it will show up here as my competitor. It will give us data within what they're doing, what keywords they're using basically, and how you can also use it. Next is my subscribers. So here you have to upgrade to VidIQ Pro to see what the best time is it to publish, to understand when is the best time to post your videos for maximum reach basically. So to use VidIQ, you have to subscribe. So there's this new thing called our AI coach. So here in our AI coach, it's pretty cool actually. So here, as you can see that I only have a few tokens left, so let's use it wisely. So let's just try to ask about, based on my channel, what video ideas you have for me. So let's press that right here. And as you can see, it's like ChatGPT integrated to your VidIQ, since it's gonna talk to an AI where you'll be interacting with one basically. So here, there's her answer. So based on my channel, it says that in the past 30 days, it has come up with a video idea that could be a great fit for my audience. So it really depends on your type of audience and your YouTube channel. So it will give you a free description on what you need and what you actually want. So as you can see here, it is giving me some suggestions on what type of videos should I make relating to my channel. And it's very useful. You can see here as it's generating, it's very accurate to what title I should place and description and other things like that. So lastly, we have our AI generator. So here in AI content for generator for YouTube, to streamline your video creation process for you. So you can create a video about, so let's say like our Lamborghini topic a while ago. So let's see, it has made us a free title, and it will also give you a free description with keywords and even thumbnail backgrounds, which is really cool, guys. So here has gave us a title of the excitement of Lamborghini unveiling the power, beauty, and luxury. So it will also give us here a description to our accelerating video. So it will give us a detailed description on what we should place, and also give us keywords on our video. It will also give us free thumbnail backgrounds for our YouTube videos. And as you can see, you will also have a free script. Isn't that cool, guys? So here, you'll get a free script on to use on your video. And you even have a free voiceover if you're not confident with that. So there you go, guys. That is how you use VidIQ for your YouTube videos. I hope you like this, and thank you for watching this video, and see you again next time.